Hello everyone, I promised you an after video of my complete renovation of a house that I purchased to renovate. As you can see, it has an oversized carport, which you can put two actually smaller cars, an SUV and a golf cart. Over on this side, it has a large laundry room with a brand new washer and dryer. The screens, as you can see on the front of the house and in the bedroom, they are customized sunscreens. They are removable. You can take them off and just keep them on during the summer for the heat. There's a large sliding glass door which gives you this beautiful view of the resort. You can walk across the street to the pools. You have a saltwater pool, a regular pool, a hot tub, a sauna. There's a tennis court, there's pickleball, there's a baseball diamond, there's a ballroom, there's many things. So the location is right on the boulevard. There's not a house in front of you, so you are in the best location. Now I'm going to go in. Here you walk into, sorry about that, you're walking, I'm going to have to edit that out. You're walking into the living area, and it is an L-shaped living area with, you're walking into the living area, and it's an L-shaped living area. The blinds are custom blinds, all of it. Even the custom blind on the door is a custom blind. It's beautifully decorated. You've got lots of light. It's got a very high ceiling, 3 ceiling fans. New beautiful rugs. It's been newly painted, ceiling, everything. All to the floor, the baseboards, a new dining table, lots and lots of storage room. It's very open, and as you can see right here, you have lots more storage with a Roku TV. It comes completely furnished. So all you have to do is just walk in. Just walk in and this is yours. It can be a winter home or a full-time home. This is a 55 plus community. Now, you've got plenty of lights. You've got plenty of lights where this video is actually going to suck big time, but hey, I'm trying to sell it. I got a skylight. I want you to see what it actually looks like. Dishwasher, Bosch dishwasher, a 5-burner stove, microwave. I even have gumbo on the stove. And a tip, when you put something on a high heat and you don't want it to boil over, put a wooden spoon over it. This has actually a convection oven also. So I will be having gumbo this afternoon for dinner. Now, also from the kitchen window, you have a beautiful view. The refrigerator, all the lights are LED. The refrigerator is a pull-out, double-door refrigerator with a big, huge freezer and a big ice maker. This is the high ceilings, lots and lots of storage. The floors are vinyl plank. This is an extra large bathroom. This bathroom has a skylight. It's been newly painted, LED lights, lots of storage. It's got a beautiful vanity area. Lots of storage. It's got a beautiful window. The plants are all real. And the plants come with it also. A shower and a tub. Now you come out, and here is the hallway. More storage here. The air conditioner is brand new. So I'll show you that. This is also a high ceiling. This is the guest bathroom. It's beautifully decorated, as you can see, with lots and lots of storage space, big mirrors, and a ceiling fan and new LED lights. It really is a nice place. And all the doors are pocket doors. And this is the master bedroom. So you walk in here, and it's a beautiful master bedroom. Got a beautiful sitting area, a really cute half bath. All the toilets, the sinks, and all the bathrooms and mirrors, They're all brand new. Everything. This is a new wood floor in the master bedroom. You've got beautiful sunlight, brand new lamps. There's an exit, and there's a place to sit, and a 55-inch Roku TV. So it's ready to move in. I'm just waiting for the right person. There's a new air conditioner thermostat. So the air conditioner is brand new, and this is what it looks like from the kitchen. It's a beautiful little place, open, airy. It's like living outside. And this is actually the view from your dining area. You just really can't get much better than that, all for $79.9. Please leave comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.